Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another TradingView update. We have seen now our 8th consecutive weekly red candle for Bitcoin. Selling pressure absolutely relentless. In the past, when we have seen these larger volumes or kind of capitulation volumes, they have historically been followed by at least a week or two of green trading activity. This just hasn't been the case, making the capitulation event that we saw from a couple of weeks ago just that little bit more unique. Again, prices are grinding lower still. It really looks like this pessimism has no end in sight. The daily RSI, the weekly RSI actually finding some support now at the same sort of level around 32, which was that same level from the COVID or March 2020 crash. So let's see if we actually do find some support here. We're not in oversold regions just yet. At the end of the bear market in 2018, we actually hit that oversold region for a couple of weeks. So if we continue to grind lower, expect this level to be hit relatively soon. That said, in the short term, we are actually, daily RSI seems to be moving above the weekly. If we zoom into that, have a look at the 4-hour as well, we can see how the trading corridor is just essentially being defined by the low at 28,600 and the high at 30,800, more or less. A week and a half now, if not a bit longer, that we've been trading in this corridor. If the support level at 28,600 fails to hold, I expect us to move down back towards 25,600, which is where the 50-month exponential moving average comes in. If we do indeed break higher, just keep an eye on the low from the 24th of January as their first level of support, which is the 33,000. Second area of resistance. The second area of resistance is that 24th of February low at just above 34,000. Wouldn't surprise me, given the current pessimism, to see some sort of a fake out lower grind than a push higher. Would look a little bit like this, bang, and then bang. But again, to really find some strength in this market, it's tough to find buyers out there, and we need to see obviously how equity markets continue to fare over the next couple of days as well, to find some strength overall in the markets. Let's move over to Ethereum very quickly. Ethereum 2 trading sideways, clear support at 1,900 to the upside, clear resistance at 2,170 above us. This resistance level at 2,170, also the 24th of January low. So this is a pretty key level to keep an eye on in the short term. We are also seeing that sideways trading action. If we have the daily RSI is actually grinding above the weekly RSI, maybe some form of short-term strength. The MACD, let's move it back to the 1 week or the 1 day even. I think we've actually seen a buy signal now flashed on the daily MACD, first time in since the 6th of April. So keep an eye on that. We did find some support on the OBV as well. So OBV actually trading sideways to higher. Same level now as where we were back on the 24th of January. So yeah, that is a good sign. Maybe in for some short-term relief, but overall, yeah, we need to find some continued and lasting strength in TradFi markets, or we need to decouple at this point before we actually start to see a stronger move higher. That's it from us this morning. Have a good trading day.